What is the main cause which could lead to smoke from wheels, or in the worst of cases, a fire? The primary causes of smoke from wheels are as follows. Low air pressure, which will activate the rear braking system, handbrake. Improper use of brakes, frequently or long-term brakes applied instead of using the retarder, especially downhill, driving or forcing the bus to move while handbrake is still applied. How to prevent this from happening? Make sure that you are driving a bus which has the correct air pressure. While you are driving, always check the air pressure of the bus on the dashboard, which for the King Long 12 should be 8 bar and 10 bar for the Retarder, Kent and Vectio, and electric buses. To check if there's an air leak on the bus, it can be detected from the round check. Before you start doing the round check, start the bus so it could start building up air pressure. A bus will be fully charged with air after 6 to 8 minutes. If after the round check the air pressure is not above 8 bar pressure for King Long 12 and 10 bar pressure for the Retarder, allow another 3 minutes. If this air pressure is still not correct, follow the procedure to report defects or breakdowns. If you are on a bus and the air pressure goes down to 6 to 5 bars, a stop light on the dashboard will show together with the buzzer. In this case, always stop the bus and follow breakdown procedure. In general, if you are in traffic, the air pressure can come down a bit. If the pressure does not go up again after you start driving normally, stop the bus and follow the breakdown procedure. Correct use of the handbrake. When on handbrake, driver needs to let go of the brake pedal. Then, when disengaging the handbrake, the driver should wait 2 seconds and then start driving. The handbrake has a red light on the dashboard which will show when the handbrake is engaged. It is important that each time the handbrake is off, the light disappears from the dashboard. If in these situations the light does not disappear, call for assistance. In the case of electric buses, the handbrake is a bit different than the rest of the fleet. When the handbrake is engaged, there is an orange light on the handbrake bottom. When the driver presses the handbrake button, the light disappears and the handbrake is disengaged. Then, to engage it again, the driver should press the button on the opposite direction. Correct use of the retarder. As soon as you start using the retarder, a light on the dashboard will show. A correct use of the retarder increases the life cycle of the braking system components significantly. In case of electric buses, the automatic retarder works in a way that it recharges the bus's batteries. King Long, Vectio, and electric buses have 5 positions of retarder, from 0 to 4, whereas Kent buses have an automatic retarder. King Long, Vectio, and electric buses. Always, before using the retarder, let go of the accelerator. By doing this, the engine brake will start working. Then, when the engine brake is working, start using the retarder. Start by putting the retarder on 1, slowly engaging on 2, and so on till 4. When you finish using the retarder, before accelerating, you should put the retarder on 0 again. Kent buses. When a bus has an automatic retarder, this means that if you start pressing the brake pedal slowly, the retarder will start working by itself. Then, if you press the brake pedal stronger, the engine brake will apply. When a bus has an automatic retarder, forward planning is key. The driver has to let go of the accelerator, give some time, and then press the brake pedal gently, as the first 5% of the pressure done on the brake pedal is the automatic retarder use.